Everybody needs a simple, delicious chickpea salad recipe to lean on throughout the hot summer months. They're perfect for barbecues, picnics, cookouts. They take minutes to make, there's no cooking required, and they are rather budget friendly. Plus, they actually get better as they sit, so they're also perfect for meal prep. You could easily enjoy this as a quick lunch or dinner by pairing it with some leftover chicken or mixing in a can of tuna or some canned salmon, and you've got yourself a protein-packed meal ready to go when you are. So the first thing I like to do is make the dressing, and this is a very simple recipe. It's bright, it's delicious. Here's what I do. Into a small bowl or a mason jar or a spouted cup like I have here, you're going to start by combining a half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. That's going to help to emulsify the dressing and help the lemon and the oil come together. 1 fat clove of crushed garlic. If it's a small clove, you might want to do 2. A fat pinch of sea salt. I'm rather generous here. I use about a half a teaspoon because this is what's going to season the entire bowl of salad. Black pepper, and then I have 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. And my friends, this is the time to pull out your best quality olive oil, right? When you're eating your oil raw and it's not being heated or cooked, that's when you want to take out the good stuff. And then I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice. If you've got a big juicy lemon, it's about 1 lemon. Otherwise, it might be 1.5. And then I'm just going to gently whisk this to bring it all together. Now, whenever I'm making dressings like this, like a simple vinaigrette, I like to lighten it up by changing that traditional ratio. So normally a vinaigrette is 3 to 1. It's 3 part oil to 1 part acid. I like to do 1 to 1. So however much oil I use, I add the same amount of vinegar and or lemon juice. Not only does this create a lighter, brighter dressing, but it's also bolder and I think more flavorful. Then we're going to set this aside and assemble our salad. And do not blink because this recipe is so quick and so simple. So I've got a nice big bowl and I'm going to start with a 15-ounce can of chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans. Now, I do like to drain and rinse my chickpeas whenever I'm making a salad like this. It just helps to reduce any of the excess sodium that comes along with the canned goods and puts you in full control of the ingredients being added to your dish. Next up are the cucumbers. So I have 6 Persian cucumbers, which is ultimately a 14-ounce package of Persian cucumbers. And I like to trim off the ends and then I slice them in half lengthwise. And then depending on the size of them, I either cut them into half moons or quarter moons. If they're really thick, I'll do quarter moons. If they're a little bit smaller, I'll do half moons. Persian cucumbers are so perfect for a salad like this because they're smaller, but more importantly, they have very, very tiny seeds. So they're not very watery and they're super crunchy. If you cannot find them, then I would suggest looking for an English cucumber. That would be your next best option. And one last thought, if you don't have either of those options, a traditional cucumber could also work, but you might want to just scoop those seeds out. Then I'm going to add about 1/3 cup of very thinly sliced red onions. What I like to do is I will just peel my onion and then, because this is a big onion, I'll cut it into thirds and then just come across the top and make nice thin slices. Then I've got some creamy, tangy feta cheese. Now, if you've been with me for a while, you know that I highly encourage you to try to buy your feta cheese in block form like I have here and then crumble it yourself. You're going to see that the flavor and the texture is superior to pre-crumbled feta. You'll never go back. And then last but not least, as a matter of fact, I would say one of the most important components of this salad is some fresh chopped mint. You're going to get that into the bowl, and especially in these warmer months, little additions of fresh herbs can completely elevate a salad. So do not skip the fresh mint. If you don't have mint, you can do a little bit of parsley or even fresh basil. Then all I'm going to do is grab that dressing that we made, give it a quick whisk to make sure it's incorporated, and then I'll just drizzle this right over the top. And then you want to gently toss everything together. You just want to make sure that all of those veggies have a nice light coating of that bright lemon vinaigrette and all of those flavors have a chance to mingle. And here's my favorite part about this salad. You can absolutely enjoy this right away. transfer it into a beautiful serving dish or into something that you can bring with you to a barbecue or a picnic. But it really is also a fantastic meal prep salad because, like I mentioned earlier, it gets better as it sits. So what I like to do is I will often use it in these hot summer months as a really easy lunch or a really easy dinner idea. And I'll do that by either pairing it with some fresh chopped chicken like I have here, and then when I eat this I might add a little bit of like some tzatziki or hummus to really doll it up, maybe a few crackers on the side. Or I'll grab a can of tuna or some salmon like I have here and mix that right into the salad. Both are such quick and easy options that are gonna leave you with a veggie and protein packed meal ready to go when you are without ever having to turn on the stove, which is why every single person needs this chickpea salad in their back pocket. So I hope you give this recipe a try. If you do, come on down to the comment section below and let me know what you think, or if you incorporate this into your own type of meal prep meal, let me know what you made, because I love getting ideas from you just as much as you love getting ideas from me. And if you want more easy, healthy, delicious recipe ideas just like this, be sure to check this recipe out next. Cheers!